This video will show you how to use LXE OneCLI to set or change a remote server's UEFI admin and poweron password. Open a command prompt window with administrator privileges. Navigate to the directory where the OneCLI utility was extracted. Use the OneCLI miscellaneous UEFI password command to set or change the administrator password with the following parameters. Admin to change the UEFI admin password. To set the poweron password, replace admin with poweron. New PWD to specify the new password. Old PWD to specify the old password. To enable a non-interactive mode, use the queue or quiet parameter to automatically confirm all prompts. B to specify the target server's BMC access details with the format shown on the screen. Note: to set a password for the first time, only the new PWD parameter is needed. To change the password, both new PWD and old PWD parameters are needed. To delete the current password, only the old PWD parameter is needed. In this example, changing the UEFI admin password is demonstrated. Execute the command and wait for a few seconds. A success message will be displayed in the console. The password has been successfully set. The change will take effect once the remote server restarts.